Hi guys, I'm back. Welcome to my channel. By the way, sa lahat ng bago dito who haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button para naman ma-update kayo on every vlogs that I upload. And if you have any questions, I will be ready to answer those questions in the future vlogs. So I just landed in Abu Dhabi from a 9-hour flight from Manila, and then I will have a connecting flight to Milan, Italy for 6 hours.
Last call for Turkish Airlines flight TK869 to Istanbul Airport. Please proceed immediately to gate C33 for boarding. Thank you.
And then after that I have
النداء الأخير للخطوط الجوية
by
التركية
translation
رقم
in Arabic language.
TK869 والمتجهة إلى إسطنبول Airport. يوجد توجه حالا إلى
Anyway,
البوابة
naririnig nyo naman yan.
33
So then after Milan, I will have a 2-hour shuttle trip to
Etihad Airways is
cruise
calling
airport.
Mr. Browdy Nolan,
to the
Mr.
cruise terminal.
Browdy Nolan, traveling to Manchester
For me
on flight
to join the
EY015.
cruise ship from there.
Please proceed
And
immediately
then from
to
there
gate
we'll do a 10-day
C28.
cruises until November 30 within the Mediterranean. So ang biyahe namin is from Genoa, Italy to France, Marseille, to Spain, and back to Italy. So it's a 10-day cruise. Then after that, like I said, after November 30, pupunta kami na Brazil. We're gonna do Brazil season until March of 2025. Alright. So like I said guys, this vlog is intended to help you out.
Etihad Airways
Give
is
you an
calling
idea on how
Mr.
to
Browdy Nolan,
apply for a
Mr.
cruise ship.
Browdy Nolan,
So first of all,
traveling to Manchester on flight
it would be an
EY015.
advantage kung meron
Please
kayong
proceed
hotel
immediately
experience
to gate C28.
or any hospitality experience, whether it's 6 months or more than that, will be an advantage. If not, then okay lang din. As long as you have worked in any kind of work, pwede naman magsimula sa mababa. You just have to inquire and apply physically or personally sa mga manning agencies sa atin, no? Like for example sa Magsaysay, which is in Calao. That's my first agency before. And then you can also apply sa CF Sharp sa mga Intramuros. You can check the specific address in
Etihad Airways
Google.
is calling Mr. Brody
You can
Nolan.
also apply
Mr.
in
Brody Nolan, traveling to
Singa
Manchester
Shipping
on flight
Management sa may
EY015.
Makati,
Please proceed immediately to
sa
gate number
PTC,
C28.
sa may Bagtikan Street, also in Makati. You can also apply in UPL for Holland American Lines sa Intramuros, and etc. etc. Marami pong agency. You just have to check online and apply from there. So gagawa kayo ng resume, you have to go there personally. Kasi this is the season where marami pong hiring. Kasi nga, ang dami yung barkong lalabas this year, next year, and in the coming years. Kasi dito sa Europe and US and everywhere, dumadami po ang mga cruise ships at nagwa-widen yung kanilang itineraries, not only in the US and Europe where it used to be, but now it goes to Japan, Asia, China, Africa, everywhere in the world. So panay po ang hiring nila. So a lot of you guys are worried kung how to comply with the documents. Huwag niyo muna isipin yung documents. Documents will follow. And then once na-qualify kayo, you have passed the interview, tutulungan naman kayo ng processor na tinatawag nila sa agency to comply with your documents. Hindi naman agad-agaran yun. There's a lot of process, especially if you are new hire. They will give you a lot of time to process all your documents, makakuha ng Siemens book, makapag-training for basic training for SOLAS, yung safety of life at sea dati. And then, meron din kayong mga vaccines, lahat yun. I will discuss that thoroughly on the next vlogs in the future, okay? But don't worry about that. Ang i-worry nyo is matanggap kayo sa trabaho muna. Once you are officially hired, then they will assist you with all the documentation. Also, kung if you are confused about what position you need to apply, then mag-apply kayo based on your experience. So let's say for example, wala kang experience if you have worked in Jollibee or any food chain or mag-apply kayo as utilities. Mayroong galley utilities sa kusina, pwede mag-apply as bar utility. Mag-apply muna kayo sa pinakamababa. However, if mayroon naman kayo experience sa hotel, if you have worked in the front office, pwede kayo mag-apply as guest relation officer, junior guest relation officer, telephone operator. If you have work experience as a bellboy or doorman sa hotel, pwede kayong mag-apply sa housekeeping, public area attendant. So marami pong pwedeng applyan. If you have worked in restaurants, sa kusina, mag-apply kayo as cook sa pinakamababa. Cook muna, and then third cook, second cook, first cook, chef. If you work in the bar, kung mayroon ka experience sa bar, you can apply as bar utility, bar waiter, assistant bartender, or wine steward, or sommelier. So, anyway, if you have any questions on how to, please feel free to comment down. I will definitely
Heavy
answer
service
the
is calling
questions.
Mr. Brody Nolan. Mr. Brody
Okay.
Nolan, traveling
So
to
that's it for
Manchester
now. Meron na
on
akong,
flight EY 015.
I'll soon have a
Please
boarding
proceed
time
immediately to gate
for my flight
C28.
to Milan. Alright, I'll keep in touch with you guys, and I'll continue to add more vlogs helpful to para makapag-work din kayo sa cruise ships. Why cruise ships? Because like I said, there's a lot of opportunities. You are well compensated. Malaki po pasweldo sa cruise ships compared to the land. Maski magtrabaho ka sa Middle East or somewhere else, mas malaki ang sweldo sa cruise ships. In the beginning, pag nasa utility positions kayo, it's not that much, but when you cross-train and apply for another job on board, or 6 months after, or you will be promoted, you will make more money. Trust me guys, you will make more money. And then you have the privilege of visiting a lot of places which you will only see in the movies kung hindi ka makapag-cruise ships. So you can enjoy the food on the ship na parehas lang halos ng mga pagkain ng mga pasahero. So why waste our time at home in the Philippines when we are not paid well enough? Unless otherwise, if kung maganda naman ang pasweldo nyo at trabaho nyo sa Pilipinas, then of course you are with your family, so I cannot blame you for looking for greener pasture. But like I said, if you wanna move up a little bit higher than what you have now, then you can try. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, and then please share this video and click the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa mga vlogs ko. Okay, thank you so much. Goodbye for now.